Alright, welcome back. This is Lance with Sleeper BBQ from St. Mary's County, Maryland. I have to apologize for if you hear any noise in the background. I got the air conditioner running in here today because I'm going to do some pork belly curing to make some bacon. So I'm really pretty much ready, but I'm going to move the camera here and get you a little bit closer to the pork bellies. Alright, as you can see, I already cut the rind off of them, skin, whatever you want to call it. You know, I just, around here you get pork belly, you get it any way you can. They usually leave it with the rind on, and I have no problem with that. It just takes a little bit of patience to get it cut off of it. Didn't do too bad of a job, but I'm sure some people could do better than what I did, but it looks good to me. So we have two different seasonings that we're going to do here, and it's all new. It's all new, so I can. It's not really a recipe, but we're going to try them anyway and just see how it goes. So first one we're going to do. I've been dying to try this. I've been buying jalapeno bacon in our area for a long time, but it's just gotten so crazily expensive. Like, I think the last time was pushing $12 a pound. I'm not paying that. So I thought I'd try and make my own version of it. It's not going to be the same, but it'd be something that I'm curious to see how it works. And that is going to be, Uncle Steve just came out with a new rub. It's called Texas Cajun. So we're actually going to take and cure one of these sections of bacon or pork bellies with this Texas Cajun seasoning. The other one is going to be done with a breakfast sausage seasoning. I watched Mike Brown BBQ do sausage seasoning cured ribs a week or two back. And it's like, you know, I got them pork bellies I got to do something with, and I have some leftover legs, Customs Blend pork sausage seasoning kit. I did some sausage links probably almost 2 months ago for the house here, and I have more of this seasoning left. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cure the other pork belly with this pork sausage seasoning and just, you know, see what it turns out. Okay, so in each of these containers this is the pork sausage seasoning. I already have my cure salt number 1. I did add a little bit of white sugar to it. And in this bowl I have again the cure salt number 1 already added, and a little bit of Uncle Steve's Texas Cajun in it also. So I got to move a little bit fast because I don't want these pork bellies getting too warm on me. So I've already got my bags vacuum sealed at one end. I'm going to put I'm going to season the top half, put them in the pork bag, the vacuum bag, and then we'll put them in the bag and do the other side. So this is really all we're going to do is just season them on up. And then we're going to come back and do the pork sausage bacon. You can see they're both going to have a little kick to it. This legs pork sausage seasoning, it's got some pepper flakes in it. Okay, so we got them back in the bag, and we're going to go ahead and season the other side. Again, you know, you're not seeing each and every step of it, but I've got to keep moving because I just don't like these pork bellies dropping the temperature too much, but they're still cold to the touch. And it don't have to be absolutely perfect. Obviously you want to try to get a coat on everything best you can. If I don't stop spilling it all, I'm not going to be able to do that. Hello, excuse me, hello and welcome back to Sleeper Barbecue. We are finally getting back to our pork bellies being cured into bacon. It's about 11 if not 12 days into the process. I wanted to go like 8 or 9, but we had 3 straight days of storms here, so I didn't mess with it because of having the video and cook, etc., etc. So, but today we're finally getting back into it. We're going to get them opened up. I normally don't rinse them, but I might do it this time. We'll bring right back. I am losing some of my ribs. Oh. It's been some time since I've used this thing, probably like a year. So I'm going just to touch up the blades a little bit. Just put a little hone on them. That's all we need. I get focused. Time to start playing with that slicer. This thing will slice you up in a heartbeat if you don't focus, pay attention, and that's exactly what I do. I've already got everything sliced. I've got it cleaned back up. We're getting ready to go to frying some of this and give it a taste test. The ones we got here cooking right now is the one with the legs, breakfast sausage, pork sausage seasoning kit. So this one here is Uncle Steve's Texas Cajun. I did fry myself up a couple sausage patties also. Alright, we're going to make ourselves a couple eggs. Alright, let's make ourselves a sandwich. So first, the bacon that you see on there now is that legs sausage, pork breakfast sausage seasoning. It's really good. I was probably expecting a little bit more flavor out of it, but it's really good. I'd probably just doctor it up a little bit more, maybe the next time, maybe like some sage or something in there added to it, but otherwise, I mean, it's really good. I would definitely do it again. So we're going to come in here with an egg. Going to get a couple sausage patties on here. Excuse me. And this bacon is the Uncle Steve's bacon, the Texas Cajun. Really happy with that. It definitely has more flavor to it than the breakfast sausage bacon that I made. It's excellent. All right, let's go in for the bite. That Uncle Steve's Texas Cajun seasoning bacon, out of this world. It's really good. That's a sandwich. Excuse me. Excellent sandwich. Now, I've got a heck of a mess to clean up. I'm Lance, Sleeper Barbecue from St. Mary's County, Maryland. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you on the next one.